Chosen one, I want you to understand that God is about to bring in the miracles for your life. You've been waiting your whole life for these miracles. You've been praying your whole life for these miracles. You've been imagining all your life for these miracles. Chosen one, your time is on the way. Chosen one, your time is coming. Chosen one, your miracles is about to pour over you like a avalanche of blessings. Your miracles is about to pour over you like a wild waterfall. Chosen one, accept it because it's coming.